And thank you for joining us here on Madhouse Media. And I'm your host, Madhouse. Listen, I got a banger for you today. And I know you guys been waiting for a video. Listen, I've been busy. I ain't got time all day to be up on YouTube. Y'all gotta give me a break, okay? Have you not seen inflation? It's getting rough out here. I don't even know how somebody's affording to buy a sandwich. So listen, that's why we're in these DGen plays like Milady. And let me tell you, Milady, she's the lady. You guys need to be invested because I'm gonna be real with you guys. I made a bag with Milady. I did. I did. I'm not gonna lie. I did. The crib I'm in now. Milady. I'm gonna just be real with you. Um, you know, she's helped top that off. Let's put it like that. And Milady is a special coin because it moves fast up, but it also can go just as fast down. And so you got to be careful with these type of plays. Milady, for sure. Listen, $152 million market cap. This thing is still what I would like to say in the sweetheart phase. It's still a nice buy. Yes. Are we seeing markets go down a little bit? Yeah, a little bit, but really we're just seeing it in the crypto space. And the meme coins and altcoins are getting smacked, which is why it's important for you right now to be prepared with that dry powder to come back into the scene and start buying up. I'm gonna be real with you. I was poor as shit before crypto. I didn't have any money. I was broke as hell. And after I got into crypto and I learned a little bit, struggled, lost thousands, made thousands. Once I started understanding how the game worked, and I understood that half of the shit on YouTube is fake and not true because there's hedge funds that change their name in the background into different LLCs to mimic themselves as crypto companies to then go ahead and make meme coins and altcoins just to run up and drop it back. Let me stop. You want all that information, you need to drop into that Patreon. I'm not about to just give you free game. But let's just say becoming a whale, I've understood by hearing from other whales and other people who have came up that were also surprised that shit's not really what you think it is. And half these YouTubers on here, they're all getting sponsored. They got people in their inboxes right now waiting to drop $20,000 of some type of coin in their wallet so that they can create a video and sell it to you. So you need to be careful out here. That's the first thing. Second thing is you also need to be prepared for where this market's turning because you can get into these meme coins right here, guys, and you can make some hella money, but you can lose some hella money. And so anything you put in, again, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is not financial advice. Let's be clear. I'm a psychopath, and I'm a psychopath on the internet. There you go. Now that I got that out the way, and if you're still here after I said that, well, welcome to Madhouse. But you guys just need to be careful. But let's get to the nitty gritty. Milady is a special coin. Okay. This looks like one big giant accumulation stage. I told you in the previous videos with other coins, and I'm going to stick to it with Milady. Listen, 6 months down the road from now, some of y'all are going to be in a 6-bedroom house. You must not understand. I'm trying to tell you. I done seen what this crypto can do now. I'm trying to tell you. You mess around and put 5,000, 10,000 on black on that roulette table, you may just come up with a lottery ticket. Now here's how I see this. I see this as a DCA play. Don't put a large amount, put small amounts, trickle in over time, the amounts that you're comfortable with, and see how your account grows. And if it doesn't grow, then don't go with it. Shoot, don't take my word for it. I'm just telling you what I done, how I made my money. Shoot, I was broke as hell. Now I got some money. I'm just trying to give back and put y'all on some game. All right, so let's have a look at the Twitter page of Milady. I'm going to tell you the real truth. The real honest truth is the reason why I even invested into the play is because when I first heard the name, just saying it, Milady, I was like, oh, this shit's too catchy. I just need to. That's real whale talk for you right there. I'm not going to sit here and BS you guys. Sometimes it's just got to be something that just catches your attention for you to be like, yeah, that's catchy. That may run up a bag. And I was right. But back to this Twitter. Listen, 85,000 followers. That's solid. Okay. And this is still fairly new meme coin compared to a lot of folks. But then you see this bad boy right here, DWF Labs. Oh, listen, if you guys want to know the importance of, different companies backing certain coins. You got to join that Patreon, man. I'm trying to give you guys some sauce. Listen, I'm trying to help you out. I understand what it's like when you have some bills you got to pay. I understand it. Trust me. I get it. Some of you guys are in some situations right now and you're like, I just need to figure out the next move. And you better make your next move the best move. And you better make sure whoever you're following on YouTube know what the hell they're talking about, because I'm going to tell you right now, keep this in mind. Whoever you're watching, if they got over 100,000 followers, stop it. They've been contacted by somebody. Let's be clear. Let's be clear. You don't have to believe me if you don't want to. You better be careful with the plays you guys are getting into. And you shouldn't be listening to everything I say. You should do your own research, to be honest with you. But the Twitter page is fire because it's active. You know, we see 280 likes, 760 likes. Look at that, 364 is consistent, 384, 383. I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, listen, it's solid. It's solid. Listen, at the end of the day, it's a meme coin. Okay, what are you guys expecting? You're expecting to see a freaking professional charts up and analysis done by people on CNBC. It's a freaking meme coin. Okay, it checks the boxes it needs to be checked. Okay, that's what's the most important. So here's the big question, right? What can Milady do? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. Milady could do a 300x. You better stop playing. You better stop playing. You're like a 300x. You better look back when she was first coming out, how much money people were really putting down. People were putting $100 and getting 100,000. You better stop playing. I remember when she first came out. Yeah, I heard you heard what I said. $100, and you were looking at six figures. That's real. So, and you should also look up how high she went as far as a market cap at the height of the bull run. You'll be surprised how many billions is in that market cap. So we're looking at something at 100 million. A 10x is not even like something to even talk about. 10x. I wouldn't even look at this coin if it wasn't a 25 or more, to be honest with you. So that should tell you right there that I solely believe on it. Besides the fact that I've already ran up a bag in it. Yeah, Milady's a 300x. Now, realistically, there's going to have to be a lot of things that are going to have to happen for that to hit a 300. Okay, there's going to be a lot of factors that are going to need to be in play. Bitcoin's going to have to hit an all new time high, and it's going to have to skyrocket. The economy is going to have to be stable for some time. There's going to have to be a lot of factors. There's not going to have to be any, there can't be any black swan events. Okay, so for that 300x to be executed on, that's going to have to be done in a market that's very stable. Right now, we're not in stable times. So then your question is, then what can it really do? Realistically, a 50x to 100x. And I'm still standing on it. 100x easy if the market can just stay calm. If Bitcoin can still keep trending upwards, man, Christmas time could be a crazy Christmas time. Let me tell you something. Somebody's going to have one hell of a Christmas. Let's put it like that if things play out. Now, taking a look at this chart down here. Listen, right now, I'm standing on what I said. This is an accumulation stage, buddy. And it's going to bounce all through here. And honestly, it could bounce up and down, dude. It could bounce up and down for 2 months. Be prepared for it. Be prepared. This is the problem with a lot of people that are in crypto. Even people who have experience or claim they have experience and never even ran up a bag. You know how you know you got experience? When you have to start paying taxes. That's how you know you ran up a bag. New problems. So what people don't understand is that when you get into these coins, it's going to take some time. It may take you 30 to 60 days before you're like, this is not even a good play. It may take you 30, 60 days for you to be like, okay, I made about 20, 30%. I may stick with it. So what I'm talking about is feeling the play out. This is game that YouTubers are not even giving right now. YouTubers just tell you, keep putting your money in, keep DCAing. And it's like, well, damn, how long do I keep putting my money in for? Do I keep putting my money in for like a damn year or two? Like, because I keep hearing about this person making money, and I'm thinking, wait a minute. So just, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put you all into some game. I'm not giving out game for free because I really got the game. I got the sauce. You're going to have to click that link in that Patreon. I'm not about to give it out for free, but I'm just telling you, this is one of those plays where you're just going to have to work with and you're going to have to fill it out. And remember what I said, as quickly as it goes up. And I mean, I've seen it go up 25% in like an hour. Okay. it can also go down 25% or 30 or 40%. Let's be clear. So be prepared for that, right? Be prepared and know what you hold. Okay. But listen, guys, $152 million market cap. It's got 23,000 holders right now. Listen, you best believe Milady will get you a bag. And we got some folks investing right now too, even in the late nights. Yeah, we got some dolphins, we got some shrimps, and we got some fishes. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We got quite a few dolphins in here. So listen, guys, listen. Milady, she the lady, and she's your lady to have your baby. You definitely want to run up a bag with her. Do not be slipping on this play. Do not slip. All right. Listen, guys, thanks for tuning in to Madhouse Media. And I'm your host, Madhouse.